This is Hiroshi Matsumoto. Today I'm going to present the effect of paraphrases in statistical machine translation. The abstract of this study is that we examine the effect of paraphrases in Japanese English statistical machine translation, and we paraphrase 200 low-frequency verbs in corpus and compare the translation results of non-paraphrase and paraphrase trained results. And in result, trained on the non-paraphrase scored higher blue score. In the introduction, the quality of translation depends on the training corpus, especially on the frequency of words in the corpus. But we are not certain about how much the dependency is in the SMT, and so and for the related work here, there is one study done by Wallman, entitled as a Paraphrasing Swedish Compound Nouns in Machine Translation. They paraphrase constituents of compound nouns, and their target noun words are high frequent words, and they paraphrase them into lower nouns. And then their result was they obtained lower blue score, but however they show that in subjective evaluation they obtained better score. So in this study, we paraphrase the 200 verbs with one frequency, and in this study, the term paraphrase means to replace a word in a sentence to some other word and still retains the same meaning of the sentence. And for example, it prevented the enemies from eavesdropping can be paraphrased as it prevented the enemies from listening. And the paraphrase is something common verb that the person who did the paraphrasing could come up with, and they did 200 verbs for the paraphrase. And for the evaluations, we did blue and subject evaluation, and for the original open and paraphrase open. And for the subjective evaluation, we did four scale measure, which is this table here. For the 4 scale measure is they check the grammatically correct or incorrect, or the sense in the paraphrase sentence still, translated sentence still has a meaning to it, and then the scale is from 0 to 3. And in result, the original open translation got a 50.75, and as to the paraphrased open obtained 50.63, which means paraphrased translation scored lower than the original. And for the subjective evaluation, as you can see that some got better on the paraphrased, but for the this is 3 is the best scale, and it has got better in the in the paraphrase. So in conclusion, for the blue score, same as to the result of a related work Ullman, it has dropped in the blue score. And for the subjective evaluation, the number of understandable sentences have decreased, but the number of grammatically correct sentences has increased. Thank you for listening.